and welcome to this discussion on square breathing as a mindfulness technique. Square breathing is a simple yet powerful breath regulation technique used to calm the nervous system, enhance focus, and bring awareness to the present moment. It's called square because it follows 4 equal parts. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 4. Exhale for a count of 4. And hold for a count of 4. This cycle is then repeated for several minutes, ideally until the body and mind begin to settle. Square breathing leverages the breath as a tool to influence the autonomic nervous system. It helps shift the body out of fight or flight and into rest and digest. This shift can lower heart rate and blood pressure, decrease anxiety, improve concentration, and interrupt spiraling thoughts or emotional reactivity. What makes square breathing particularly useful is its structured rhythm, which gives the mind something to focus on, making it a built-in meditation practice. Square breathing can be used in high-stress contexts. The technique is widely used in high-pressure fields like the military, emergency response, sports, and increasingly in law and corporate leadership. For lawyers, it can be especially helpful before stepping into a courtroom, after a difficult client meeting, when managing a heavy workload or racing thoughts, or during transitions, maybe between meetings or while commuting or before sleep. Even just 2 to 3 minutes of square breathing can create enough space for more mindful, intentional action. So how do you practice it? Here's a simple way to guide yourself through a round of square breathing. First, sit or stand comfortably, closing your eyes or softening your gaze. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath out for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the cycle for 4 to 6 rounds or longer as needed. If 4 counts feels too long or too short, it's okay to adjust the number. Just keep the 4 sides of the box equal. The beauty of square breathing is that it's discreet and portable. It doesn't require a yoga mat or silence or even much time. It can be practiced in the car, maybe before a client call, in a bathroom stall during a stressful day, in bed when the mind won't stop racing, or in front of a computer, maybe before sending a difficult email. Over time, square breathing becomes a way to train the nervous system to respond rather than react. To pause, gather yourself, and proceed with intention.